Namaste everyone, welcome back to Instant Mathematics with Sandhya. So, in our previous class, we learned what a fraction is and understood the numerator and denominator. Today, we will learn types of fraction. By the end of this lesson, you will able to identify different types of fractions, distinguish between proper and improper fraction, understand mixed fractions, and learn unit fraction with examples. So, let's get started. Our first topic is proper fraction. So I'm writing some fractions here. You just observe this. 2 by 5, 3 by 8 and 7 by 9. Observe these carefully. Yeah. So here you can see that this 2 is less than to 5, this 3 is less than 8 and this 7 is less than 9. That means this numerator is less than to denominator. In proper fraction, all the numerator is less than to denominator. Okay. So we can write the definition of proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is less than to denominator. Clear? Okay. Now the second topic is improper fraction. See, again I'm writing some examples like 7 by 5, 9 by 4, 11 by 8. Again, just observe this. Here we can see that this 7 is greater than to denominator, this 9 is greater than its denominator, and this 11 is greater than the denominator. So we can say that when the numerator is greater than the denominator, that fraction is called a improper fraction. Clear? Now the next topic is mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? The mixed fraction shows that if we take 1 by 2, we don't know how to read this number, so the number we can read as 1 by 2. What does this mean? It means 1 whole, because this 1 whole, 1 whole and 1 half. You can see here we are having this 1 whole and 1 half. So I can write here 1 whole and 1 half. For examples, or we can say that a mixed fraction has a whole number and a proper fraction together. What does we can say? A whole number and a proper fraction together. Clear? A mixed fraction hold a whole number and a proper fraction together. Now, if we are having one example, suppose 7 by 5. Convert this 7 by 5 into mixed fraction. So for this, you can divide this 7 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5, 2. So how do we write this into a mixed fraction? See, your denominator should not be changed. It is same as, and your remainder take the place of numerator, and this 1 goes here. So we can say 1 2 by 5 is equal to 7 by 5. Now you can ask, ma'am, how? So we can do 5 ones are 5. In between these two numbers we can do multiply. 5 ones are 5 and then plus 5 plus 2, 7. 5 ones are 5 plus 2 and the denominator is as same. The 5 plus 2 by 5 is equals to 7 by 5. Now the next topic is unit fraction. For unit fraction, I'm again writing some examples like 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 1 by 8, 1 by 10, etc. So what you observe? What is common? The common is the numerator is 1 in every fraction. You can see the numerator is 1. So when the numerator is 1, it is called a unit fraction. So let's do a quick revision. The first topic is proper fraction. In proper fraction, we can see that the numerator is always less than to denominator. 2 by 5, 3 by 8, 7 by 9. So we can say a proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is less than. Let's come on improper fraction. Now here just opposite. The numerator is greater than to denominator. Clear? In mixed fraction, it is a whole number and a proper fraction together. In mixed fraction, a whole number and a proper fraction together. And in unit fraction, the numerator is always 1. Clear, everyone? Here are some practice questions. Identify the type of each fraction. Now pause the video and try these yourself before checking your answer. So, if you understood today's lesson, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. In our next class, we will learn equivalent fraction with easy tricks and examples. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class. Happy learning.